Look at this. It doesn't look like anything I've seen before. It's partially buried in the sediment. It's giving way. Careful now. There, it's open. Incredible.
The delicate work begins. Carefully, we start to uncover what lies beneath the dust of ages, revealing secrets untouched for millennia.
My God, look at this. It's gold, solid gold arm rings and silver ingots.
A 1,000 years of grime gently brushed away, revealing the first glimpse of high-purity ancient gold.
Oh wow, look at that. It's gold. It's definitely a Viking arm ring.
A 1,000 years in the dark, this amber bead now reveals its secrets, offering a glimpse into Viking craftsmanship.
Wait, I think I see something. It's gold.
Entombed for 1,000 years in the Baltic mud, the team uncovers the distinct curve of a Viking gold arm ring. Incredible. As we clear the mud, the first of the silver ingots are revealed. The preservation is unlike anything I've seen. Gentle movements are critical here. The mud has preserved these amber beads perfectly for over 1,000 years.
Aybar, look at this. It's not just gold. There are silver ingots here, heavily tarnished.
Centuries of grime conceal the true nature of this find. As the oxidation is carefully brushed away, the intricate knotwork is finally revealed beneath centuries of grime. This is unmistakably a high-status Viking gold arm ring. Trapped in the Baltic Sea mud, a complete Viking ship burial, and inside, a hoard of gold and silver unlike anything we've seen. Encased in the ancient mud of the Baltic Sea estuary, the flashlight reveals what was once thought legend.
What we have here is remarkable. A Viking-era silver ingot alongside a pristine gold arm ring.
Look at this. The weight is incredible. It hasn't seen the light of day in a millennium. The carvings are clearly Norse, but the patina suggests it hasn't been touched in 1,000 years. And with that, the maker's mark is finally revealed beneath centuries of grime. A remarkable discovery. A millennium of still air, finally disturbed. We are the first eyes to witness this sight in centuries. The grime concealed their true nature, but the light reveals the ancient amber, untouched for 1,000 years.
This changes everything. We have arm rings, beads, and look at this silver ingot.